Hello, friends. How we all doing today? As you can tell by that baseball and that signature, we're going to take a look at a limited edition ORIS baseball watch. Now, as you can tell by the signature, maybe you can, maybe you can't, but I'll flip it over here. We're looking at a Hank Aaron limited edition watch. And let's pop this guy open. And you've got all the info. Your warranty card is on the back of that placement card, and then you have the booklet about the Hank Aaron limited edition. Now, I'm really excited about this watch. Of course, I'm a baseball fan, and I stood in a long line a while ago to go ahead and meet Hank Aaron, and I got a couple signatures from him, and I was really excited to meet him. And then now, decades later, I'm able to pop open this watch and take a look at this beautiful Hank Aaron watch. Now, this watch is very patriotic. It's got a red, white, and blue, and it comes with the leather strap and the NATO style strap. And here is the picture of the dial. It is a big crown, and the big crown design is just classic. It's a great thing. I like that they're throwing these baseball ones here and there, kind of giving us these neat little surprises. And I love the double stitching on the band, reminiscent of a glove, a baseball glove. And just every little feature. You can tell that ORIS really is an enthusiastic partner when it comes to baseball, and just all the little things they do in the details. This watch model number is reference 01-754-7785-4081-set. And you can see Hank Aaron there on the medallion on the back. So cool looking, another little tribute to a great baseball player. And they did a great job. I love that pose there. And here you can see the band, just a really nice band. A lot of watches you see, that it's kind of chintzy, but ORIS does leather bands right. And take a look at this. Fantastic. And so it's 40 millimeters, the size, and it's got a water resistance of 5 bar. And of course, it's ORIS, so it is an automatic watch. And the strap, if you want to get a metal one or get something else, for those of you guys like to switch them around, it is actually a 20 millimeter interhorn width. And the caliber is a 754-1. And it is, again, an automatic winding watch. So this one, we've covered, big crowns before many, many times. But again, what makes this special is that this is the Hank Aaron edition. And Hank Aaron actually broke Babe Ruth's home run record in 1974. And he co-founded the Chasing the Dream Foundation, which aids disadvantaged youth. So this piece is got a limited edition of 2,297 pieces. And you might be like, why the weird number? Because it is commemorative of his record RBIs. So very cool overall here. I put it on the strap so you can take it. Once you throw the strap, they're both straps, but the NATO strap we got on here now, it kind of gives it that summer vibe. Really cool, during baseball season. And, if you want something a little fancier like here with the leather, then it feels very, dressy. So you can kind of go either way, casual and dressy. This is one of those watches that really work as both. And super easy to read with the white. Again, this was 40 millimeter. My wrist here, you can see, is about a 7.5 inch wrist. So you kind of get the idea on size to help you out there. So just a sharp looking watch overall. Again, it's so clear because of the white dial and the darker blue numbers with the red outline. Um, you can see it across the room basically, how clear and easy. So if you're interested in a legible watch, and I do get people who sometimes like, yeah, I want something easier to read. This is one that you can see very well. But if you're a baseball fan, it's just really cool to be able to have this watch. And I'm just glad to be able to take a look at it as a Hank Aaron fan myself. And here we can see the Lume. It's very, very faint, you know, just a little bit, but that's how it is with the big crown ones. Of course, the most important part, of course, are the hands, and those come out pretty good. I'm not getting a good image of it here, but you kind of get the idea of how it looks. I'd like to take the time to thank you for watching the video. I appreciate all of you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.